Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to layer vocals in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you will be greeted by the home page where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and log into one, create one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with layering our vocals. The first thing we want to do guys is click the plus button right here, the bottom part of the screen. In the middle, click the plus button. That's going to open up this new menu page, and in this new menu page you'll be able to see all the options you can access. You can either import a new file, you can add voice or audio, and so on, and then we can go ahead and get started. So go ahead and add your first vocals to your track. I'm going to open up my track right here. This is my studio. It's going to look like this, and now we can get started with layering guys. Basically all we have to do to be able to layer our vocals is click this plus button right here under our track. These are the first vocals right here that we have. Here is the plus button where we can get started with adding new files. We can either import the track that we already have, or we can go ahead and record ourselves with the voice audio option. Here, after you have recorded yourselves guys, as you can see, it's going to add itself under the layer, under this track, and now we can get started with layering those tracks one under the other and so on, so you can see how it works. You can put the one you want the first and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.